Hello everybody, this is Venetia Ramsey from Scrapworx. I have another project to share with you. This time a mini album created with our Scrapworx pattern paper range called Well Established. I've just created a plain front cover because this is probably my favorite pattern out of the whole lot. Here, that's the front. This is what the spine, I've just put some of the dotted paper on the spine and then use that for the back. All right, so inside we start with a stacked pocket on the inside cover with some inserts. Okay, so we've done a little photo insert that looks like that, and another photo to go on the back. That one pops back in over on the first stacked pocket, and then I've done a tag with the photo mat at the back, and that pops right back inside there. Right, then we have our first flap with photo place for photos at the back. I've used this album to showcase the paper, you can see, and we've tried to do it so that most of the photo mats are actually loose. So I've decorated the side with pattern paper and allowed for a photo mat on the back, and then it just clips in to this little insertion point. Okay, the next page I've done a side loading pocket, and again done a little insert where we've decorated the front, and I've put photos inside and at the back, so lots of space for photographs and without having to compromise the paper. Done a little pocket, like a little money pocket. Okay, the little insert's missing, but we would put a photo insert over there. And then this side has a little belly band. Behind the belly band, another insert for photo, big photograph, or you could put two in. It's entirely up to you. And flip over again. I've done a flap with another insert. There's another belly band with an insert, some more photographs front and back, and then another pocket with another insert very similar to the first one I showed you, also space for lots of photographs and decorating. So pops right back in there, closes up, and the flap closes. And I've done a little waterfall photo here, and it looks like a false pocket. Open that up with another flap with some embellishing inside, and then again a pocket where you could put a photo mat on the side here, so you could load more than one mat on the side. Then with a little bit of repetition, start from the beginning again with a little flap for photographs, two side flaps that open, and again a little round insertion point just punched out with a round punch and cut in half, and space for some photographs. Pops in there, closes up. You can put in more than one photo mat over here. You can easily put in quite a few. Then again another little money pocket. This time at least I have my little photo insert here. So just a plain little photo mat that pops inside and closes up. Then here this flaps on the belly band, again with the photo mat to go slide into the belly band, and then this one flaps open. On the other one I used pattern paper, and on this side I decided to put in a photograph, but you can mix and match how you would like it to look for you. Then on the last page I'm using the tag as a closure, which opens up to create another pocket. Again, it looks like that, and then the back, and that just pops into the pocket, closes it up, and the tag also has some photographs at the back. That then just keeps the whole thing closed. And for my back inside pocket, inside cover, I've just kept it plain and simple. And then there's the back. I hope you like what you've seen. If you'd like to see more of what we have on offer, you can visit our website at www.scrapworx.co.za. Thank you very much for watching.